All right, we're in at Chris's house. We've done the countertops, granite countertops. We use 600 grit powder honing material mixed with a little bit of water. We put that on there and we buff that in. And then we go to an 800, and then we go off to a polishing compound. So there's 3 steps there, and before we even get started, we use cleans all on it to clean off all the grease and grime and stuff like that. So we clean them. 600 grit compound from Stone Tech, 800 polishing, and then we put a impregnator. That's the name of it, sealer. We've got 2 or 3 different types of sealer that we can use on these. That's the one that's pretty common that I use on the inside. Done that counter that I just showed, and we've done this island. What happened when they installed these are about 5 years old, I do believe. When they installed these, they did not seal them, so there was a shadow here and out, so it was darker. So we got most of that out. That's just stuff getting down in the natural stone, the granite's natural stone. So it will penetrate if you don't have your sealer on there. So clean, buffed, sealed, and we're going to cut the lights off and we're going to get out of here. All right, I am Don, and I'm with Olmec Reflections. Turn off lights, hopefully. Yeah, as I said, I'm with Olmec Reflections. You can get us at 817-1700. That's a 513 area code. And you can go on olmecreflections.com and book online. We're on all the social media platforms, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, all that stuff. Look us up underneath the label Olmec, OLMEC, Reflections with an S, .com, and you'll get us. So if you need your countertops cleaned up, it's for this much countertop, it's 4 hours. We'll get them looking good again. So anyway, this is Don. I am out. See you later.